be filed against the minor's father, Vishal Agarwal. This under Section 201, a case is going to be registered for attempting to destroy evidence. The police investigation revealed that Vishal Agarwal told the driver to lie to the police that he was driving the car with a minor child. Therefore, a case of trying to destroy evidence is going to be registered. A second case is going to be registered against Vishal Agarwal for giving false information. The Porsche car was registered when it was not registered. Remember, there are two offences here. One, to claim that the car was registered when it was not. It did not have a registration plate. The second was to try to influence this case, also tamper with the evidence, telling the driver that we'll give you money, you take the blame. This was what was done, and the driver, during the investigation with the police, has revealed these details, is what we are learning. So two more cases to be filed against the father here, Vishal Agarwal. This is the minor's father, the juvenile's father, who was involved in the accident, which in fact killed two young IT professionals on the streets of Pune just a few days ago. Now, under Section 201, a case is going to be registered for attempting to destroy evidence. The police investigation has revealed that Vishal told the driver to lie to the police that he was driving the car when he wasn't. Omkar is getting us more details on that story. Omkar is live with us from Pune. Omkar, this was but expected, isn't it? That they're influential, they're rich, and they would try to influence the investigations in this fashion, given that the driver was present and that they've asked the driver to take the blame on him for a price, for a cost.
Exactly, since the beginning, Mr. Vishal Agarwal, he was trying to manipulate the whole interrogation of crime branch, and that is why after seizing all the CCTV footages and going through all of them, police has realized that driver was with the minor accused, but he wasn't driving and he wasn't even on a driving seat when accident took place. So after that, police came to the conclusion that driver was with all of the three people, all three minors, but he wasn't driving when accident was there. So after that, Vishal Agarwal and his wife called the driver. They told him to take all the blame on him, and they were ready to reward him for all of this. And under that pressure, driver recorded different statement, and now the statement is different by the driver. So till now we have to wait for everyone, because everyone is in court right now. In front of session court, they are already produced, and the hearing is going on.
All right, be with us. Just coming back to you in a moment from now. In fact, we have more news coming in connection with this case. Let's take a look. Court hearing starts in the Pune accident case. The police need further custody of the accused juvenile father, is what is being said in court. Further details are required. Account details of the payments that were made at the Cozy Bar by the accused juvenile. Section 420 added for cheating as well against the accused here, Vishal Agarwal. The car is purchased in the name of Brahma Leisure, and further it is needed to get more details. There's more details which are required. Also, CCTV tampering has been suspected. So police custody is needed, is what the police is saying. Gangaram is the driver, he is the prime witness, and he needs to be questioned to get more details. Cozy Bar licenses and documents are needed to be checked. Mobile phone cyber analysis needs to be done of the accused. Police have demanded 7 days further custody. So several reasons why, Omkar, the police is saying that we need further more custody. And the reasons have been listed here.
Exactly, because later on Pune police added the section 201, which is tampering with the evidences. As I told you, he was trying to manipulate during interrogation. And secondly, Motor Vehicle Act also amended over there. We can see added over there. We can see 420 section from the Motor Vehicle Act 199A is added later on, as police got to know that registration was different, and since the beginning when interrogation was going, he recorded some different information about his own car. So after that, right today itself, Pune police added two sections, 201 for tampering the evidences under IPC, and second is 420 under Motor Vehicle Act of Maharashtra.
All right, these are details that are emerging at this point in time as far as seeking further custody of the father of the accused here is concerned. Omkar, thanking you for the moment for getting us those details. Big revelation in the Pune Porsche horror case. The Pune police have confirmed that there was indeed an attempt to frame the family driver of the accused 17-year-old minor in the accident which killed two. The family of the minor had called the driver on the night of this accident and told him that it would be rewarded in cash if he falsely confesses to the crime. Possible lapses by the police in the night of the accident are also under the scanner. Meanwhile, samples have been collected and sent for forensic analysis. Cops have taken a second sample of the accused to ensure the DNA has not been swapped out. A second plea for him to be tried as an adult has also been filed.
हमारे जांच में ये स्पष्ट आया है कि ये जो जुवेनाइल एक्यूज्ड है यही गाड़ी चला रहा था और इसके लिए क्रोनोलॉजिकली जो एविडेंस जरूरी थे वो एविडेंस इकट्ठा किए गए हैं। उदाहरण के तौर पे जब वो घर से निकला था उसके घर के सिक्योरिटी गार्ड के पास की जो रजिस्टर है उसमें पहली एंट्री है कि ये लड़का, ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी लेके निकला है। इस प्रकार के सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस और अलग अलग एविडेंस, टेक्निकल एविडेंस के तौर पे ये हमारी निश्चित हुई है कि ये गाड़ी ये जुवेनाइल एक्यूज चला रहा था। इसके साथ साथ आई विटनेसेस की स्टेटमेंट भी हमारे पास है जो टेक्निकल एविडेंस को कोरोबोरेट करती है। इसमें हमने बताया कि इस प्रकार की कुछ अटेम्प्ट घटना होने के कुछ घंटों में करने का प्रयत्न किया गया था कि इसमें ड्राइवर, ये एडल्ट ड्राइवर ये गाड़ी चला रहा था और ये आरोपी ये गाड़ी नहीं चला रहा था। इस तरह की बात सामने आ रही है। इसकी हम पूरी तरीके से तहकीकात करके